Guys, I discovered that if you put stuff like this in front of the package before you unbox it, they don't remove the comments. Let's see if that's true. Because sometimes they'll remove comments on my videos and it ticks me off. I want to see everybody's comments. I want to know what you guys think. The good, the bad, the ugly, the everything. Anyway, let's unbox this box, shall we? Let's see. It's looking good. It's good, looking good. Looks like the plane is on the top. There's this little window here, so I'm going to open it this way so that hopefully we'll see the plane. Ooh, that looks cool, guys. They put the plane on the other way. Hope that's good for the storage and transport. Although the package is in good, bang good style, is really beat up. But looks like the contents, also in bang good style, looks good.
Likey.